Are you looking for the best leather desk pads in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best leather desk pads that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Bedshore Genuine Leather Desk Pad Protector. Protect your expensive office desk from scratches and spillage by installing this protective leather pad. The pad has non-slip crafting that prevents it from slipping off the desk. In this case, it is compatible with multiple desks with varying finishing. The desk pad is also waterproof, so the liquid spillage does not penetrate the other side for your desk's safety. The desk pad has cowhide leather crafting with beautiful detail finishing, ensuring your desk looks elegant at all times. I love this desk pad because you don't have to buy an extra mouse pad for your laptop. It can work as a mouse pad too. At number 4. Aothea Office Desk Pad, Natural Cork and PU Leather Dual Side. Do your kids always scrapple the desk when studying at home? Well, get this desk pad to protect the table from their writings. It is made of pure PU leather materials that prevent the table from ink, scratches, and even spillage. It has a thickness of 2 mm to prevent these from reaching the table. Another good thing is that this desk pad can be used on both sides. This desk pad comes in multiple colors, so you can have an easy time choosing a color to match with your decor finish or kids' study desks. The leather desk pad measures 31.5 by 15.7 inches plus has non-slip crafting to ensure it firmly sticks to the table regardless of where it reaches. At number 3. VARWANEO Large Leather Desk Pad. With a size of 32 x 16 inches, this desk pad protects your desk from damages while providing enough space for your working space. It is large to fit most tables and can fit the laptop and still leave space. This is a multifunctional desk pad that also serves as a mouse pad. So, you don't need to buy an extra mouse pad to use with it when working. It guarantees long-term use as it has pure PU leather material crafting resistant to damage. The leather materials are waterproof to make sure no moisture can penetrate the table. So, even if you spill coffee on the pad, you need to wipe off and continue working. At number 2. Office Desk Pad, Double-Sided Desk Blotter Mat of PU Leather. This is a multifunctional leather pad you can equip in your office desk or gaming desk. The desk pad is double-sided, plus it has waterproof materials crafting. It has a large sizing that does not limit your working space. So, it can fit a laptop, notebook, a phone and still leave a space for your mouse. The top surface of the desk pad provides a comfortable working space, and it is waterproof. So, no liquid can penetrate the table. In case of spillage, wipe it off using a clean, dry cloth, and you will be good. At number 1. Leather Desk Pad 37.4 x 15.7, Mydours Office Desk Mat. First off, this leather desk pad comes in 5 different color shades, so if you want to match with your home interiors, choose a color that fits well. The mat measures 37.4 x 15.7 inches all around to make sure your working tools are secured without compromising the working space. The desk pad is made of faux leather that is dust, water, and scratch-proof. So, if you want to get it for your kid, I would highly recommend it. This desk pad firmly sticks to the desk such that it cannot easily slip when you move the computer mouse or the computer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.